kahi hoi ai ke ku'uma.
What makes us Hawaiian and what brings us here to this particular place, ka hakaula o ke likolani, to seek this type of knowledge that isn't a type of knowledge that you can get anywhere. The name ka hakaula o ke likolani, when we talk about the venerable standards, is actually taken from ka hakaula o kane, which is kane, one of our akua, but the venerable standards of ke likolani, with the reminder that we will continue to seek a very high level for our language and culture in all that we do. And you know, we're all seeking this knowledge, mai ka po mai from our ancestors, and sometimes we get that slap that, you know, make sure you do it right and you seek that knowledge and you maintain that traditional knowledge.
Taku whakaaro he mea nui kia whakawhiti whakaaro tātou e waenga nui ia tātou ngā iwi i pākia ai tō tātou reo, o tātou reo e te ao Pākehā. Nā reira, he oranga kei roto i o tātou reo ki te whakawhiti whakaaro tonu tātou waenga nui a tātou. Kāori tino rereke ake te reo Hawaiiana i te reo Māori. I tāmia e ngā ture, i takahia e ngā ture, i takahia hoki e te mana o waho. Nā reira, wa kitea e tātou tētahi huarahi, e tae ai e tātou te whakapakari, ia tātou anō ā-iwi, ia tātou anō ā-wairua, a tinana hoki.
This system here, which is a system that we've built it like a, not a shell, we have what is called the whanake reo online, which means that, you know, our students, when it's finally finished, our students can work with their communities. It has a capability, a function to be able to all speak and chat. So when you're learning language and culture, you can get your household right next door to be talking to you. And you can chat, yeah? Because language and culture is around engaging all the time and practicing.
It's always been a passion of mine to get our kids out of high school to dream about going to Aotearoa for their degrees instead of wanting to go to America. Because it seems kind of confusing that we would teach our children to go live amongst our white people when our children could go live amongst our cousins and get college degrees. Yeah, it just seemed like the perfect place to show up.
When the three girls came down, again, you know, they in Punihei, when we visited at UH, spoke about that experience of doing papers that transformed them, you know, and then coming back and rejuvenated and not just children of the struggle, but, you know, ready to contribute.
Mahalo for being here, for all the Hawaiians in the room. Kapohia.
ko tahi o tātou, ngā iwi o roto o pori mihia ne. I waenganui a tātou anō, kia noho tātou i roto i tō tātou whanaungatanga, hei whakakaha i o tātou reo.